I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. So, everybody loves a Caesar salad, especially like a kale Caesar salad. But getting a healthy Caesar dressing isn't always that easy. So what we're going to do today is show you how to make a really fabulous Caesar salad dressing using Greek yogurt. So stay, look and learn. And what I'm going to do is just lift out a couple of these anchovy fillets. Three, they're quite small. Okay, let's put this to one side. I am going to squish that down and then just start chopping it. I'm going to put some salt with it. And now I'm going to put the anchovies in here. Now, if you don't like anchovies, not everybody does, you can actually do this by chopping in capers. And they won't be have the same kind of salty fishy, but they do have their own really yummy saltiness. Now I want to get these kind of so that they are almost chopped into a paste, coarse paste. Now if you wanted to, I suppose you could also use anchovy paste. Just remember that if you open it, keep it in the fridge. Right, so I'm just going to put it into this little bowl. This is about half a cup of Greek yogurt. And I'm going to add some Dijon mustard, and it must be Dijon, not regular yellow mustard, because Dijon is nice and sharp. Now I'm just going to set that to the side and put a bit more salt on these guys and just chop them a little bit more. And now into this little bit extra, we're going to put in some Parmesan cheese. This is freshly grated. And I'm not going to put it all in because, as with the classic Caesar salad, once we've got the dressing going, we are going to be tossing it with a salad and then just sprinkling a little bit more cheese on top. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water to it, but really it can be to taste. There we go. Simple, quick Caesar salad. Even though it's quite thick, it goes across the greens pretty quickly. A little bit more. Yummy Caesar salad, and this is where the grated cheese that we had at the beginning just goes on top to finish it off in classic Caesar style. And there we have it.